Alright, welcome back to Movie Masters. Now today I have ordered a Smallrig clamp. They call this a Smallrig Magic Arm Super Clamp. What might you use this for? Well, let's see. I have bought this to put on my gimbal so I can attach my Atomos Ninja. Anyway, this is a little unboxing. I really like the brand Smallrig. I use them for a lot of things. I've got a couple of Smallrig mounts for both of my cameras, my Sony FX30 and my Sony A7C. Alrighty, Smallrig, big, Smallrig, big dream. I like that, So, a little bit of the unboxing. Now it's pretty simple what you get here. They are really sturdy products, which I love. Alrighty. Now let's see, the test is, will this clamp onto, yes it will, my and it's a really good grip as well. Quite like that. Nice and sturdy. Alright, now we're going to try out a couple of different things here. So, beauty of this thread is you could put anything on there you want. But now I should be able to rig up my Atomos Ninja. Although I'm currently using my Atomos Ninja to film this, so bear with me one moment and we will hook it up and see how it works. And there we have it. Now, currently I've just got this hooked up to my A6300, so I do need a different HDMI cable. The FX30 has a full-size HDMI input to output, but does its job.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.